In order to add a pedometer to the home screen on a Samsung Galaxy S26, you can simply press and hold your finger on an empty space on the home screen in order to go into this editing option or editing mode. At the bottom, we're gonna use widgets. And then in here, sometimes you can see like a recommended widgets that we can use, and this can be a step counter as well. But if you don't have it, you can just scroll down and we can search for the health app. And then in here, in health, you should be able to find a couple of different steps widgets that we can use. So let's say I'm gonna choose this 4x1, I can press and hold my finger on it, and I can just drop it anywhere on the home screen. It might say something like start in order to track your daily steps or something like this. This means that you have to set up the app, so we can tap over here and just go through the setup in order to be able to use the counter, the step counter. We need to also grant all the necessary permissions, of course. There we go. We should be able to start it now. We need to also allow the app to access alarms and reminders, so do so. Let's turn it on. And there we go. Now we should have our step counter. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.